In the S-Class, remove the Easy Adjust comfort headrest. Start your work on the diagnostic system. Go to the control unit, electric seat adjustment with memory function. Select Adaptations and then click on Teach-in Procedures. Then click Remove and Install Headrest. Deactivate the micro-switch headrest inclination. Now move the headrest all the way forward. In the vehicle, fold the two covers upwards. Remove the trim with a plastic wedge. Push the lock of the headrest forwards and take the headrest out. During the installation, place the headrest guides in the fixtures. The locking pawls must engage in the headrest guides. Put back the trim and fold the covers down. Then bring the headrest back into the starting position. With the diagnostic system, activate the micro-switch headrest inclination once again. Finally, carry out a seat normalization. With that, your work is complete.